Hi, I'm Aaron, and today I'll be taking you through a quick introduction of Privier. Privier is a mobile-first CRM that helps you manage your leads and clients from your phone. It works with WhatsApp, iMessage, SMS, phone calls, emails, and much more. We're trusted by thousands of sales and marketing professionals in dozens of industries across the world. Whether you're selling real estate or insurance, taking wedding photos, or teaching courses online, we'll help you turn your leads into customers with just a few taps on your phone. As soon as you open the Privier app, you'll see a list of your leads and clients with the most recently added ones at the top. You can tap on any contact to view more details about them, such as their next follow-up date, groups they've been added to, private notes, and a full timeline of your interactions. You can connect Privier to your Facebook lead ads, website, and other sources to automatically receive new leads into your account. You can also import contacts from your phone book or manually enter them on the go. Privier integrates directly with lead sources such as your website, Facebook lead ads, Google Ad lead forms, Typeform, and Zapier. Once connected, you'll get instant alerts via email and the Privier app as soon as a new lead is submitted. Tap this alert to view the full details of your lead, such as their contact information and any custom questions included in your lead form. When viewing a lead or client in Privier, you can send an automatically personalized introduction message within seconds, without any typing or copy-pasting needed. Simply tap the Quick Response button at the bottom of the screen, and then select the message that you'd like to send them. This will automatically update the message with the lead's name and open a chat with them in WhatsApp, iMessage, SMS, or email. All you need to do is tap Send. You'll go from new lead to personalized conversation within just a few seconds. You can create as many message templates as you like for different introductions, follow-ups, products, and occasions, so you'll always have a quick response ready to go at your fingertips. In addition to messages, you can also send PDF files to your clients through Privier. Using the same quick response feature, you can select a file and have it automatically personalized and sent with the client's name at the top of the screen. This also adds your contact details and personal branding at the bottom of the file, so they'll always remember who sent it to them. This can also come in handy if the file gets forwarded, so that other interested parties can easily get back in touch with you. Last but not least, if you update an existing file in Privier, any leads that you've previously sent it to will automatically see the latest version the next time they view it. If you don't use a lot of files, you can create custom pages in Privier, which are also automatically personalized for your client and contain your contact details and branding. You can think of a page as a personalized website for your client, which contains content such as photos, videos, text, and an optional map to help describe your products, services, or events. You can easily create as many pages as you'd like directly from the Privier app. Whenever you send a file or page to a lead, you'll automatically get notified anytime they open it. You'll get an alert on your phone telling you which lead opened what content and can tap to view the full details in their client timeline. You can see when they last opened it, how many times they viewed it, and even the total amount of time that they've spent looking at it. This can be really useful to know when a lead is interested, because oftentimes you'll send information to a lead today, but they'll only really start looking at it and making a decision a few days or weeks later. Similarly, you can go to any message, file, or page and see the full history of who you've shared it with, alongside who's opened it, who hasn't opened it, and who's viewed it multiple times. Privier makes it super simple to keep track of your leads and follow up with them. As soon as you send your first quick response to a new lead, we'll automatically set a follow-up reminder for 3 days later. When a follow-up is due, you'll receive an alert telling you who to follow up with and what the last thing that you sent them was. Tap on this alert to view their full details, notes, and interaction timeline. From here, you can send an auto-personalized follow-up via the quick response feature, or easily snooze the follow-up for a day, week, or month later. If you want to view all of your follow-ups in a glance, head on over to your Follow-ups tab. Here, you'll be able to see all clients with follow-up due today, upcoming follow-ups, and follow-ups that are overdue. In addition to sending quick responses and content, you can also add activities such as calls, messages, meetings, and notes to a lead's timeline. Tapping the contact buttons on a lead will automatically log an activity with them, with the option to add comments to it once done if there's anything you need to remember. Our Groups feature lets you organize leads by interest level, stage, product, or any other category you prefer. You can easily view and update the groups that a lead is in from the lead details screen, as well as from your client list. Head over to your Groups tab to view all the custom groups that you've created and tap on any group to view the leads that are tagged to it. If you need to send a message, file, or page to many people at the same time, you can use our bulk send feature to quickly send each of them an automatically personalized version of the content. However, please note that you'll still need to click on send once per recipient due to restrictions by platforms like WhatsApp, which don't allow one-click sending to multiple people at once. As a recap, Previer is a mobile-first CRM that helps you manage your leads and clients from your phone. It gives you instant lead alerts from your Facebook lead ads, Google ads, websites, and other sources, so you can get in touch with new leads within seconds. It also offers auto-personalized quick responses, trackable files and pages, automatic follow-up reminders, and many more features to help you turn your leads into customers. All of this can be done easily from your phone and works with WhatsApp, iMessage, SMS, email, and phone calls. I'd like to take a moment to talk about privacy. All data in Previer is private by default, meaning no one can access your data unless you specifically send it to them or grant them access. We operate purely on a monthly subscription model and don't engage in selling your data to advertisers, competitors, or anyone else. Previer will never sell, share, or make your data accessible to any third parties. We commit to giving you full control over your data and use the highest grade encryption and technology to secure and protect it. If you don't have an account already, you can create a free trial account at www.previer.com. We offer a 14-day free trial with no credit card or commitments needed. Our free trial and subscription plans all offer unlimited access and usage, meaning unlimited contacts and client management, unlimited lead source integrations, unlimited content, and unlimited access across all of your devices. If you have any questions or feedback, please reach out to us at support@previer.com or via the live chat on our website. Thanks for watching and hope you have a wonderful day.